Adios, amigos.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Sharu Chronicles. Today we are diving into a powerful yet simple tax function, concatenate, in Power BI. It's perfect for combining first names and last names, addresses, or any kind of text fields. Let's get started. Here is our Excel data set. We have employee details like first name, last name, designation, location. Let's bring this into Power BI by clicking on Get Data, Excel, and load the sheet. Now let's create a new column that combines the first name and last name into a full name. Full name can be concatenating the employee's first name and last name. This formula joins the first name and last name with a space in between using ampersand. Want to combine multiple rows into a single text? Use concatenate text. So let's create that formula, that is all locations is equal to concatenate text and employee and also location. With that we can concatenate all locations. This explains a comma separate list of all locations from the table and also create. And that's how you use the concatenate function in Power BI. Super easy and super useful for text formatting. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next tutorial only on Sharu Chronicles.